Welcome back. In today's topic, we are talking about Nnọchiaha. Nnọchiaha, which is pronoun in English language. Nnọchiaha. How we make use of this Nnọchiaha in a simple sentence. I want to use it to make some simple sentences in Igbo language. We have some Nnọchiaha that we make use of in Igbo language. We have the Nnọchiaha, which is mkpụrụ ụda, mkpụrụ ụda ume. Nnọchiaha that is gotten from the vowel sounds. Our vowel sound in Igbo language is 8, which is a, e, o, u, o. These 8 vowel sound, we also use it in Nnọchiaha, which is pronoun. We make use of them in Nnọchiaha, which is pronoun. For the ones in mkpụrụ ụda ume, I've mentioned it a, e, o, u, o. Mkpụrụ yiri ụda ume, which is semi-vowel, we have only me. Remember, we have semi-vowel me and ni, which is m and n, but in pronoun we make use of the m. The next Nnọchiaha or pronoun that we make use of in Igbo language is mkpụrụ okwu ndị ọzọ bụ. These ones are in word. The first 2 that I mentioned, they are in tone or sounds, which is our normal alphabet. It can serve as an alphabet, it can serve as a pronoun. The next one is mkpụrụ okwu ndị ọzọ, which is gị, you, ha, them, anyị, we, unu, they. Ha is them, unu, they, gị, you, ha, them, anyị, we, unu, they. So these are the words and the sounds, but while writing this, you don't write it as a sound. These ones, I'm sorry for the background noise. I'm recording from my shop. I'm sorry for the background noise. While writing this, you don't write it as an alphabet. You write it as a word. Anywhere you see a, which is I, you don't write it as an alphabet. We now call it a word because it's acting like a pronoun in a sentence. Example: akụrụ aka, someone knocked. I want to use all this word and the sound that is now word as an example. So I'm starting with the a, e, I, o, u in English, but in Igbo, a, e, o, u. I'm using them one after the other to make an illustration, to show an illustration. A kụrụ aka. The a will not be joined together with others because now is a sound, is a word and no longer a sound. The a in this sentence is no longer a sound, rather a what? A word, because it's acting like a pronoun. Someone knocked. The meaning of akụrụ aka is someone knocked. Had it been your mommy went out with the information, maybe your mommy went out with and you know that she have not eaten before going. So when he is around or when she comes back and she will ask the question, unu eshikwala nri, have you people cooked? And someone will reply, eshiri nri. There is a pronoun. The a in this sentence is no longer a sound, or mkpụrụ edemede Igbo is no longer an alphabet. Is now what? A pronoun. Siri nri. Yes, food was cooked. Someone cooked a food. Yes, someone cooked a food. You are replying her based on what she asked. E siri nri. Maybe she was not around, she went out and you people slept alone. She came back in the morning and noticed that everybody is awake, busy doing their house chores. She will ask a question. Unu kpekwere ekpere? Hope you guys prayed, or you hope you people prayed. And someone will answer, ekpere ekpere. There is a pronoun. Another example, o using o. O churu mmiri is a question. Ọ gara ahịa, this one is ọ, which is the one that have dot under. Ọ gara ahịa. Ọ gara ahịa is did. Remember, in Igbo language, we don't have any word to specify that this particular sentence is referring to a man, masculine or a feminine. Our ọ, this ọ, e, I, u, we use it for the masculine, we use it for the feminine, and we also use it for it. So when someone is asking ọ gara ahịa, it means that the person is asking, did a person go to the market? Whereby a person is asking this question, it means that he knows, or he or she knows, that you people are aware of the person he's talking about or she is talking about. Ọ gara ahịa. Ọ is for a boy or a girl. It can be for a man or a woman. It can also be for it. Ọ gara ahịa. So here, whereby you are reading from it here, you will not know if it's a man or a woman, because Igbo language does not have anything to specify between the masculine gender and the feminine gender. Another example using those words that we know as read words like anyị. Anyị ga-eri nri. We will eat. We will eat. Anyị ga-eri nri. Anyị there in the sentence is a pronoun. Anyị is the pronoun. Unu, which is they. Unu na ndị agbata obi unu bụ enyi. You, them and their neighbors are in good terms, or them and their neighbors are friends. When you see the relationship between a man with his or her neighbor, or a woman with her neighbor, you can make a statement, unu na neighbor unu, unu na ndị agbata obi unu. Agbata obi. Agbata obi is your neighbor. Unu is you people. Na ndị agbata obi unu bụ enyi. Simple words that we use these pronouns to represent is very easy to build a vocabulary using a pronoun. It's very easy. When you have a pronoun, it's very easy to build a vocabulary using a pronoun. Another example is ha. Ha jere ụka, they went to church. Ha jere ụka, they went to church. Maybe someone is looking for you or asking about somebody, and you reply to the person, group of people. Ha is for plural, more than one person. Ha jere ụka, maybe they are looking for someone and you are replied, they are not around, they went to church. Ha anọghị ya, ha jere ụka, they are not around, they went to church. This is the way that we use plural to make some simple sentences. See you in my next video. Thank you, Cody.